Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your Windows update not downloading. So you may be trying to download and install the latest version of Windows 10 or 11, but you may not be able to because error keeps popping up saying that error has occurred, please try again, or anything along the lines of that. So if that is your problem, you've come to the right video. We're going to be resolving this issue and hopefully getting you to downloading the newest version of Windows as soon as possible. To begin, we're going to navigate over to our Windows taskbar and navigate to the Windows button. From there, find the settings icon and press on it. From there, we're going to navigate to the Update and Security tab, being the last option, and heading to the Windows option Update. Now, if you give this a moment to load, you should soon see that we have a Windows Update right here, download and install. Now, if we do this just like this, it is not going to download it, it's going to give us an error. So what we're going to do is, even though this is here, I'm going to press on check for updates. And once it is done, give it a moment. So we do have to wait for this to redo it as it is regaining the files for the update. So there we go. Once that's done, we can close out of this. We're going to press on our Windows button once again, and we're going to head to Troubleshoot Settings. This icon right here. We're going to open it up, and we should be in this tab. From there, make sure that this is to ask me before running shooters. From there, head to additional troubleshooters, and we're going to be finding the Windows update. From there, what we're going to be doing is pressing on the run the troubleshooter. Now, this can take up to 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm not going to be doing this, but this is all you have to press and all you have to do in order to fix this issue. After that, you can go back there and download your Windows update. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.